3, 2, 1. Hi guys! This is part 3 of we're gonna make a part 3 of the fashion show because in our last one we told you what happened to our arm and freaking give my coat and pieces. Yeah, so just to make her feel better, we are letting her have a little modeling show. You see how kind are we? Like literally.
Like we're just gonna dress up, like and we're just gonna. Okay, so see you next comments.
Guys, it's actually your birthday today.
So
They are twins. They weren't born in the same year, but on the same day, no? It's a bit easier. So, guys, we are gonna get back to you in T minus 10 seconds. Love you all. Bye. That's out, guys. We are gonna sing soon, so we must get all the candles out. Come on, YouTube, before you start fighting. Kyra, put the blanket around. Do you know what mom said? You know what mom said about the blanket?
Mama, see my titty for that.
I'm just gonna put this canvas thing on her arm because you know in the last video what happened to her arm. Guys, it turns out we can't put it on her. Guys, we are going. We are going. You have the rainbow. Okay, guys, we just made it to our kitchen. If you checked my last video out, we did a kitchen tour. So we are just gonna find the candles. We'll be back. Just sorting out the candles. So we'll be back in say about 10 minutes.
So
Okay, guys, we
this
just
is the one
got those
that I picked.
candles.
This is the one that I picked. It keep on falling out because I'm 6'7".
And you guys all know the 6'7" thing. We are obsessed. Literally. Okay, guys. Come here.
Okay, guys.
We have our weekly chores, and you know our chores are in this house.
Yeah, we picked this one.
The
The perfect
chores.
one. Then we have this one, the blue. There's two here, keep it. Then the orange. Then we have
Green,
this
guys.
green and
Guys, I
this
think
yellow.
these two melt together because I just found. I
And
don't
this
know if you
red.
guys can see it. I just found
And
some
this
green on the blue.
Look here. And this red. And then where this goes one.
Okay, guys, bye.